morning breakfast is ackee and saltfish and some yam. The dumpling sneak in. I did not intend to buy it. It just accidentally dropped in at the plate. We have some porridge today. I'm try to build up my system on the way to Africa, Wakanda. Come here, go save the people then. I'm gonna bring you guys back a lot of film and stuff. Enjoy yourself. Blessings to you and your family. Remember to call your mama. Drink your water. Cut down on the dumpling them. I want to cut down on the dumpling them. You must eat caramel dumpling. Let me bear the pain. Let me bear the pain of the flour dumpling. This is beautiful Jamaican food in Brooklyn right now. Look how the ackee and Saltfish nice. You know something I like eat. Everywhere I go, when I was around there, I eat. So my belly so big. What's this morning breakfast about? Well, this is about using God as scapegoat. When you put things on the body and then end up in the hospital, nobody ball out for nobody. You must take responsibility for your actions. So, be careful when you eat. You have to take care of you. Take care of you. Well, I have to have it nice. You know, I overheard that Ackee was one of the causes of prostate cancer. Anybody else hear that? You know, Jamaica, among them have a lot of prostate cancer. Anybody hear about that? Make a comment on the video. What the same thing, sweet, Lord, boy. Mr. Jamaica on the nice, eh? Lord God, Rondie. Yes, I'm gonna plant an ackee tree up a baba. Question for you guys: how many of you have any trees in Jamaica or land? Yeah, man. You have your 401k plan, your pension, but you don't have a tree. As you appointed Prime Minister, you appointed virtual Prime Minister. This breakfast tell you each and every one of us to plant a tree. Alright? So, that's how we deal with the thing in Jamaica, so we must deal with the thing. I'm telling you, Jamaica. You know, one of the reasons why Jamaican work economically because we truly support each other. Let's do this morning breakfast is the pluses. The pluses about Jamaicans. The plus. You know my Jamaican restaurant in America? We're progressive people. You know my mechanics, they are Jamaica? We are progressive people. You know much job Jamaican them have? Hard working. So if you want to get a handbag or you want to get a fancy car, go deal with this thing, man, you work for it. But here you must always make sure you say, but by every Jamaican supposed to family, make sure you get an acre land, you know. So I have my little place, you know. And when you go on your next vacation, make sure you plant a mango tree. Make sure you plant a leesberry, a sweet sap tree. Make sure you plant a ackee tree, a pear tree, by your land. You can't live in a Montego Bay, but make sure you have a piece of land in the country. Fence it up, you know. Go into the country, Manchester, St. Louis, wherever you go country right now when the next vacation. Save a 2,000 US. at $3,000 and go way in the bush and find some people and buy a piece of land from them. You see when China come in right now and them buy up the backside land them, Jamaicans don't allow China to come in and take way over. I'm also get some friends in South Africa, so Jamaicans, you have to also buy land. You have to also buy land in South Africa. You can't think fear. Jamaicans with it everywhere. Why South Africa is so important? Don't worry about the water crisis. The psychology of this part of the world is being destroyed. The killing. You know what I say, the nastiness, you know what I talk about. For your family, you want to buy land in South Africa, Botswana. Stop just invest in Jamaica. Start thinking about Africa, build a little hardware store, open up a little computer store, you know, like a print shop. You want to get a fishing boat engine, part of your retirement money. Team up with the people there. Fishing boat engine, very important investment in Africa. When the fish come in, just stay right at this. So give the people them for them one, take for your one. Rent your engine them to different fishermen. Just start thinking your own business. Don't be afraid to get a roommate in New York City. Every 8 years at your job, if you don't have a pension, you must take a year off. Find another job. Spend 6 months in Jamaica, fix your back, get your vitamin D in the mountain, plant your tree them. So this is how it works, Jamaicans. You come here to work. If you have a pension and you have to work consistently 30 years, sorry. If your job don't have a pension, make sure you take a year off. Make sure you buy a piece of land in Jamaica. Make sure you go there, go plant it up. Find somebody you can trust. Send them money every month to clear your land. When you get older, you don't have to buy food. Breadfruit, avocado. You don't need to buy them things. You don't want to waste your money and buy food when you get older. So now I go South Africa, go check out what I go on around there. So the psychology on this side of the world, it done. It done. Look on the lies them where I running out. Look on the lies where I lead the country. Every time you touch on CNN, just click on CNN and Huffington Post. Lies and nastiness around the world. You see me? For the woman them, cut back on the chemical. Use natural deodorant for the, and watch where you put in your ear because it causes fibroids and cancer. Watch the soap they want to use. My mother will come teaching you something. She'll come soon. So wash her hair with rainwater. So we're about preserving our culture and protecting our people. That's why SaveJamaica.com and exposing those who need help. So this is the morning breakfast with Rondie. When I speak my mind, I only can comment online. Another great breakfast for one dumpling. Make sure someone eat some moringa seed. Wake up to Susie Cutie mother. This is the morning breakfast. What are some of my The question I want to ask, why are some of the Jamaican women bleaching them skin? Want Jamaican woman to answer this. Why are they bleaching their skin? Could it be because them not understand them history? Them a look for acceptance online? Does the pastors them in the church talk about these things? Should we ban bleaching cream in the country? I want to talk to the Prime Minister. If this is a health hazard, Minister of Health not talk about me, I don't know. What Jamaican, what am I going to